At Aragen, we bring global biologics solutions closer to market. From our advanced R&D hub in Morgan Hill, California, to state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Bengaluru, India, we redefine biologics development with precision, scalability, and unmatched efficiency. In an industry that faces constant hurdles, fragmented development processes, technical barriers in scaling, and unpredictable technology transfers and delays in selecting different partners, Aragen bridges the gap through global reach, seamless integration, and delivering solutions that are scalable, reliable, and ready for market. In our process development labs, innovation meets execution. From alternating tangential flow and membrane chromatography to cutting-edge amber bioreactors and inline Raman spectroscopy, we drive process optimization at every stage. Quality is engineered, not inspected. Our analytical development is powered by QTOF mass spec, surface plasmon resonance, and advanced capillary electrophoresis. Instruments like the Stunner, Uncle, and multimode plate readers guarantee accuracy, while our UPLC and HPLC systems validate consistency at every checkpoint. In manufacturing, we scale with confidence. From Cytiva single-use bioreactors to automated vial thaw machines and wave bioreactors with online viability sensors, our facility is built for adaptability. Whether it's 50 liters or 2,000, we deliver consistent results. Efficiency is driven by design. Our warehouse is a hub of innovation, QR code-enabled inventory management, ultra-deep freezers for optimal storage, and designated zones for rejected or expired materials. Aragen Analytical Services is US FDA approved, backed by 24/7 security and full CCTV surveillance. At Aragen, from California to Bengaluru, from cell line development to biomanufacturing, we work in a follow-the-sun model to deliver on time with world-class quality. With streamlined processes, state-of-the-art technology, and a commitment to quality, we empower biotech and pharma companies to bring life-changing therapeutics to market, faster, safer, and with greater confidence.